My name is Lou Staller. It's just a great blessing to me, and I look forward to my Wednesdays when I can come. The people here are so very friendly, and of course, the library itself is such a wonderful place for people, my tiny great-grandsons or elderly people. So I like the library. I feel like at my age, 20 years ago, I was busy every day and doing things, and I like to be doing something. I don't like to just be at home and do nothing. And I feel like if I can just help somebody, and volunteering here when I came to Grand Junction, and I just feel like I need to get out, and I feel better when I'm out and around people and helping somebody, and I feel like my typing maybe helps here. In my earlier life, I've always been a secretary, and I've always liked this kind of work, so it's really special that I can do typing here, because I've loved typing through the years, and that's one thing that I really like here. I like secretarial work, and I do filing for different people too, so it's been very special.
I like having a chance to feel useful and, in this case, work with the history. Easily, it's the stories you run into in the history archives. You get these tales sometimes following people's families back to, the 1870s. Well, I guess they'd have to think about what time they have available and what is worth it to them to prioritize. Of course, folks have got families and what have you, but there's probably a little bit of space in there for the library if they've got interests this direction. Well, Mom suggested it actually. She said, you always like the library, you like books and things. They've probably got something you could do. So I came and I asked, and they did.